Hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys here to this another brand new, important and a very helpful video. If you are a beginner, if you are advanced learner also, then also you must watch this video because in this video I will share three mistakes that you should do for a good, well, and also great English speaking. Yes, if you want to develop your conversation skills, your stock of words, stock of sentences, grammar, if you want to make it like correct, and also if you want a good speaking skill, then you must watch this video because in this video I will share three things. Okay, these three things is a mistake, but if you do this mistake, then also your speaking skill will develop more faster. Yes, when I was a beginner, then I also did the same. At that the beginning time, I did not understand what I have to do, what the things that I should not do, but with a unconscious brain I just did everything one by one, step by step. But now I am realizing that the things that I have done in my beginning time, that was great, and that's why some few mistake I did, that also you have to do now. If you don't do those mistakes, then you will feel, and also your hesitation will not go ever, and your speaking skill also will be good and well. But if you do this mistake, then your hesitation will leave up many and several benefits you are gonna see and you are gonna realize and observe in your speaking. So that's why this video is fully correct video for all of you. So guys, let's start the video. In this video, many things I am gonna share with everyone, many problems I will talk about and what are their solution, not only three mistakes. Okay, because my all of the videos are so helpful and also very important and great video. So that's why if you like this video afterward, then guys I will request everyone like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, because if you don't subscribe my channel, then this type of brand new videos are not gonna come too fast. So let's start the video. First mistake that you should do, it is very important mistake. Okay, in my beginning time also I did not focus on the grammars. Yes, I just read, I read the stories, I read the quotes, and then I just spoke the English language like a crazy, like a mad. So that's why first mistake that you should do and you have to do, it is that avoid grammars. Avoid grammars. This is also a very big thing that I am discussing with all of you. A number of people, they are gonna disagree, they will just remove this video, they will skip the video, but the people who will watch this video, they only will understand, because when we read the grammar at our first beginning time, then we don't understand anything. Yes, do you ever question to yourself that why me, and why I also take a so long time for to understand a simple grammar rule? Never you asked yourself. And whenever you also read a grammar rule, whenever you just focus on a grammar, then also it takes a long time, and after a long time you just understand it, and after understanding also, after few days you again forget everything. But for why does these things happen with us? Because we are just learning and trying to read the grammar on our beginning time. Just try to understand, English speaking is only depends on you, how you speak it, how you practice it. So if you don't have sentences, if you don't have words, then how you will speak it? Okay, you can't speak until you store a great stock of words and great stock of sentences. But how the grammar are helping us? Okay, first of all, we should make some sentences in our brain, and then slowly when the sentence will be brief, then we have to use the grammars. So that's why the first thing that you have to do, it is avoid grammar. But grammars are very important. Without the grammar, our speaking skill also, it will not develop first of all, and also we will not able to make any type of story, any type of sentences by our own self. But first of all, we need to store words and we need to develop our speaking. Okay, just think that your grammar is very beautiful, but if you don't have words, if you don't have sentences to speak, then what you will speak? Nothing. You can't say that tense formula is past, present, future. There are also four parts. They're divided in four parts: the past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. No, you will not say this. You will make sentences with the formulas. So that's why first of all you need words to make the sentence. Okay, if you have a good grammar knowledge, but if you don't have the confidence to speak, then what happen? Then what you will happen? just everything will spoil. If you don't have confidence to speak, if you hesitate to speak, then doesn't matter how much grammar you have in your brain, nothing are gonna be useful while speaking time. So just try to understand. Understanding, learning and reading, it's totally different than the speaking. When it comes to speaking, then everything change. Yes, now I am speaking, I know, I am realizing everything, but you are listening, so you are understanding. So first of all, understand. The people who say that understanding, we can understand but can't speak, there is a news for everyone. That remember one thing, that if you don't speak, and if you are saying that I can't speak because you don't ever try to speak, then what will be? Okay, you don't know how to write, so that's why you say that writing is very very difficult. But the people who can write, the writing is very easy for them. So that's why the people who can't just speak the English language, they will always say that the English is very difficult. But if you just speak it, if you try it, then slowly slowly you will realize it is like your own mother tongue. When you were a baby, when I am a baby, I was a baby. Everyone, when we were baby, then also we learned a whole language by only listening, by trying, by doing mistakes. But how we learn it? By doing mistakes. So mistakes are very obvious. So at that moment, when our brain also was not prepared good and well, at that moment, if we can learn our mother tongue, then now why not the English? English is also like the mother tongue. And now the next mistake that you should do, it is very very important and one of my favorite. If you don't do, and if you don't take this step, then everything will be useful, not everything will be just spoiled. Okay, unuseful everything will be. And you also are not gonna able, you will not be able to take the another step for do the English language. And the mistake is that just do mistake while speaking. Yes, we everyone, we just fear from the mistake, but mistake is not the thing to fear. Mistake is our friend. Okay, mistake is our friend. We learn from our mistake. Whenever I do any mistake, then I become more happier at that moment, because I know that something I'm gonna learn from this mistake. So also in my lot of videos, I do a lot of grammatical mistake, but that doesn't mean that I stop speaking. I always speak, I just try to speak. Okay, now let's talk about the next one, means the mistakes. Okay, how we can do the mistakes when speaking time, and what are the benefits of them. So let's go. So remember one thing, doesn't matter in which level are you. It may be beginner level, it may be average level, it may be advanced level. But if you don't speak every day, if you don't practice the speaking every day, then nothing will be happen. If you are just fearing from the English language, and if you are thinking that, oh, if I just start speaking, then I will do a lot of mistakes, then it is your first biggest mistake that you are doing. Okay, from this mistake you will not learn anything. From every mistake you learn something, but not for that. So that's why don't try to do this mistake, and don't fear to do this mistake. Because whenever we just feel that, oh no, if I speak English, then I will do mistake, then I will just feel hesitate. So that's why first of all I should just practice it, I should learn the grammar rules, and then slowly slowly I will start speaking. But no, first of all I will say to everyone that I also always say that LSRW, it is very very important. So that's why you have to follow the LSRW. L means listening, S means speaking, W means writing, and R means reading. But if you don't speak, then nothing will be. Okay, I am focusing and you are also focusing for your speaking. First of all, you have to find out for what you are learning the English language. Like I am learning the English language for my better speaking, for my better future. Because nowadays without the English language there is nothing can be possible in this world. So that's why for to do every work we need the English language, something also, some knowledge also we need, some conversational skills. So that's why for some English speaking we have to speak it, we have to make our experience bigger. Okay, so just also I will give you example of games. In the games, when we just play the games, then slowly slowly when we play the games a lot of times, then our experience develop, experience increase, and for that experience our level also it increase. So that's why every time when you will practice something in English, means you are developing your experience, means you are doing mistakes and you are learning from your mistakes. Remember that whenever at the beginning time you will do lots of mistakes. I also would do a number of mistakes. Nowadays also I do. Okay, you are seeing me that I am speaking English, but I know that it is nowadays what I am speaking, it is not even 20% of also. I just learned. Whatever I have in my brain, I am speaking and speaking and speaking. So that's why first of all you also have to do it. If you don't take one step, then you will not understand what will be in the future, what will be and what obstacles are gonna come to me. at my like future and also forward times. So that's why you always should speak English. Without speaking English, nothing will be developed. So speak and speak, mistake you will do, and whenever you do any mistake, then three things you should do. First of all, admit the mistake, learn from the mistake, and don't repeat the mistake. Yes, so learning from the mistake, it is very important. Okay, at my beginning time I did a lot of mistakes, but today I am feeling great that I did this mistake, did those mistakes. Because if I would not do any mistake, then what would I learn? Nothing. Okay, nothing. If you are thinking that, oh, I am learning the grammar rules, it is very very nice. If you have all of the grammar formulas in your brain, nothing will be until you just use them in your speaking. So when you will use the grammar rules, it means really you learned something. It's very important. Just try to understand. You read a story. Okay, after reading the story, if you feel that, oh, it is very great, I understood the story by reading the English language, nothing will be. Until you just explain the story, until you just say the story in your words in the English language. Okay, the thing that you are doing, try to focus on that only. If you have a cycle and if you want to ride it, so if you want to ride the cycle, you also have the cycle. But if you are just sitting in your home, you are watching your phone how to ride the cycle, and you are just fearing that, oh, if I do any mistake, then I will be unbalanced and I will crash, I will feel injured. It is not the thing that you are thinking. Forget everything and speak. Practice daily, regularly. And if you can practice it, nothing are gonna stop you. Okay, so speaking is very important. For speak. Now also I am speaking. I am speaking in the outdoor. Do you know why I am speaking in the outdoor? For increasing my confidence level. When I will speak like this in the stage, then also the same voice, the same experience, and what the body movement, it should come. Okay, now also I am speaking one type. If I speak the another type in the on the stage, very very fear, with hesitation, not moving hands, and also speaking whatever coming in my brain, it will not be fun. Okay, until I speak the English in front of many people like this, my game is not over. And remember, few bad chapter does not mean your story is over. If you do mistake, if you are speaking with somebody, if you just fumble, and if you do grammatical mistake, and if your friends are laughing at you, it's not the mean that the game is over. It not be that you will leave the way. Okay, on the another hand, just take it like very very consciously and just perform on it. So this thing I want to share with everyone. Speak English daily, speak English regularly. So you have to do the mistake to make mistake while speaking. Otherwise you will not learn. Mistakes are very important to do, and mistakes are for doing. If you don't do mistake, then nothing will be beneficial for you. So speak every day and do mistake. But whenever you will do mistake, learn from the mistake. And I will give a best advice to everyone. It is make videos. Now also I am making the video while speaking. I am going near and there freely in the outdoor side. It not been that this is a silent place. It's a breeze. It's a railway breeze, and under the breeze there are also many people. They are going. They are doing morning work. But I am just caring on myself. Okay, so that's why I am speaking and speaking, and it's increasing my confidence level. So remember it. And now let's go to the third step, means the third mistake that you should do at your beginning time. It's very nowadays the mistake that you will do, those mistakes will become your experience after few days. So this thing I want to share it to everyone, that first of all you have to do another mistake. It is that just reading mistake. Yes, just read and read and read. First, as I said to everyone, store words, store sentences in your brain. It will be very very beneficial you in your future time. Okay, so when nowadays the thing that I did in my beginning time, it was I just only read and read. Okay, nothing I care about. And also at my beginning time I also did not know what was the fear, what was the hesitation, what was the confidence, skills, everything. I just focus on reading. I read many stories, and from all of those stories I stored many words. And now the question will be that how you store words from the story. It's very easy. When you read any story, then there are a number of words you are gonna store and you will get from your story, and then those words are stored in your brain. And then after storing them, just try to tell, just try to use in your speaking. Okay, doesn't matter, people will say that I also store a number of words and also a number of sentences in my speaking in my brain, but no, no, until you will not use all of those sentences, they are not gonna be useful. So that's why, for to make all of those sentences and to make all of those words that you have stored in your brain, you have to just use them. So as I said that I will give you a best routine. The routine is, in the night as about to sleep, you just take a storybook and then read the stories from the book, and then choose a small, a little moral story, and after taking it, read and read. Okay, continuously read it for 20, for 30, and then after reading it, the story when it will put, and also when it sit in your brain, then just start speaking. Okay, start explaining the story, start telling the story. This activity will help you a lot to develop your speaking skills. And also, this thing I did in my beginning time, and I know it is also one kind of mistake. People will say and all of things to you that you are reading story, it is useless at the beginning time, you will not understand something, and you also, if you understand, then how you will speak, read the grammars, do this. But just trust in me, now I am just speaking, I am saying a lot of things, I am advising to you. Do you know for what I am just doing it, and for which thing, for what practice I am now able to do all of this thing? For only the reading stories, okay, telling the stories. It is that storytelling, it is a very, very powerful practice for to develop your English. If you do that, then a lot of benefits you are gonna feel and you will see in your speaking. So this thing was the video. These three mistakes, if you do, then your speaking will be just advanced. Okay, nowadays your beginning time will also go in the advanced level very, very quickly, and it will be very, very helpful for all of you for to develop and also for learn the English more easily. So just guys, it was the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please guys give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and just subscribe the channel. If you subscribe the channel, and also you have to like a bell all also notification, if you just ring the bell and if you hit the bell, then all of my new videos content, they are gonna come to you fast, and you can watch them, you also can do them. It's my responsibility. If you subscribe my channel, then you will be one of my family member, and also every day I will try to give you lots of ideas, lots of advice, tips and tricks, motivation, and also I will give you many shortcuts to learn the English language. And storytelling is also one of a best shortcut for to learn English more quick. So bye bye, like comment, and also just share your thoughts about these three mistakes in the comment section. If you have any problem, if you have any question, you can ask me, I will give you the answer. So bye bye to a great mind, nothing is written. Remember, you have to be crazy, otherwise the world will learn you.